Let's now adjust the lighting for this shot. I'm just gonna go ahead and move my view somewhere around here, pretty close to these mountains, so that I have a little bit of idea about the shadows. I'm gonna go into the outliner, open up this environment lights folder and select the directional light. And let me just bring this window here and let me adjust my view. And I'm gonna now tweak these rotation parameters to adjust the position of light. So I'm just gonna adjust the position of the directional light and bring it maybe just about there. And I'm gonna also tweak it on y-axis as well. And let me just move this playhead. Where's my speeder? There it is. Yeah, I think it looks good. Yeah, it looks good here. Okay. So now you can see that, let me enlarge this window and select this camera. I'm gonna press F to focus on this camera. Yeah, now you can see that the light is coming from here, whereas the camera is placed opposite to the direction of light. And this is what gives us some very good looking cinematic sort of shadows from different assets like foliage assets or these rocks or the mountains in the background or the Minerva assets, okay? So let's now move on and place some light cutoff assets in here. I'm just gonna select this asset from here and bring it maybe just about there. I'm just gonna move it here. Let me split this window. And I'm gonna move the playhead to frame number 99. I'm gonna rotate this thing and bring it maybe just about there, I guess. I think I should rotate this thing like so. And perhaps maybe like that. And bring it maybe just about there. Let me rotate this thing. And yeah, it looks good. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Now, one problem that you may have noticed in here is that whenever you are far away from your assets, these shadows somehow just disappear in here. You can see that we have these shadows disappearing on the surface. So to resolve this problem, what you can do is you can simply just go in here and type in this console command r.raytracing.culling. You can just select the first one, press spacebar on your keyboard and type in 0 and then press enter. Boom. Now you can see that we no longer have that disappearing of shadows, okay? Yeah. So let's now duplicate this asset to create a little bit more interesting looking shadows in here. I'm just gonna move it somewhere around here and maybe let's add a little bit of variation by rotating this thing like so. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it somewhere around here, let's say, just about there. And let's move back on the sequencer. Yeah, it looks good, but let's create another duplicate copy. I'm just gonna bring it somewhere around here, let's say. And I'm gonna create another duplicate copy of this thing and bring it, I don't know, maybe just about there, I guess. Let's move back on the sequencer. And yeah, I think it looks good. It is appearing in the shot. So what we can do is we can just pull this thing up on Z like so. And there it is. We have another asset in the shot. I'm just going to select it and bring it up on Z to just about there. Let's see. I'm going to play this animation. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, we'll set up the lighting for the night shot. So I'll see you guys in the next one.